Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hummus tahini. First, ensure you have your main ingredients ready. 1 can of chickpeas, 1/4 cup of tahini, the juice of 1 lemon, and 1 clove of garlic. These simple items are the foundation of a fantastic homemade hummus. You'll also need a food processor to achieve that smooth, creamy texture we all love. Let's get started on this easy and rewarding recipe. Now let's prepare our ingredients for blending. Start by draining and thoroughly rinsing your 15-ounce can of chickpeas under cold water. This helps remove excess sodium and improves the texture. Next, peel 1 clove of garlic and give it a rough chop. This makes it easier for the food processor to break down. Finally, squeeze the juice from 1 fresh lemon, ensuring no seeds fall in. These steps are crucial for a flavorful hummus. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to blend. Add the rinsed chickpeas, chopped garlic, lemon juice, and 1/4 cup of tahini to your food processor. For an extra creamy texture, add 2 tablespoons of very cold water. Process the mixture for several minutes, scraping down the sides as needed until it reaches a perfectly smooth and velvety consistency. This blending step is key to achieving that signature hummus texture. Your homemade hummus is now ready to enjoy. Transfer it to a serving bowl and, for a beautiful presentation and extra flavor, drizzle with a little olive oil and sprinkle with a pinch of paprika. Serve this delicious, creamy hummus with warm pita bread, fresh vegetable sticks, or as a spread in sandwiches. It's incredibly versatile and so much better when made fresh. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.